Welcome to JLab Audio. I'm Terra Teat, VP of Marketing.
Hi, I'm Cramer, CEO.
And today we're going to talk about the JBuds Air True Wireless Earbuds. So the JBuds Air are totally different than many true wireless out there. They're kind of their own new segment. Talk about a little bit about the market and why we brought this product.
Yeah, I mean, it's really the first product in the market that's true wireless at a $50 price point. It's not easy to do at that price point. It's not easy to get it right at that price point. So we've worked really hard to ensure that we're offering a product that is accessible to a much wider group of people at a price point that we feel they can afford. And we're really pleased with the way the quality and the connectivity has turned out.
Awesome. So one of the great features about the JBuds Air is how easy they are to use.
Super easy to use. It's after you pair them to your phone, you open the case, take them out, they instantly connect to each other and your phone, making a super easy listening experience.
Yeah. Yeah, and for a product this size, it's really impressive, the playtime. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, the playtime. So we use 60 milliamp batteries in each earbud, plus 500 milliamps more in the case. So each earbud charge, you'll get between 3 to 4 hours. The case, you get about 8-ish more. So for a total, let's call it 14 or so hours of charge, which is fantastic, especially at that price point and as small as they are.
So one of the things that we've received a lot of feedback on has been the sound from customers, from media. So can you talk a little bit about the sound?
Sure. Well, it all starts with the quality of the driver that you use. We use an 8mm driver. It's a tier A grade. We've tuned it ourselves. We're really proud of how we built the driver. But then it goes into the seal of the product. We ship with a number of tips and cush fins, so you're getting a great seal and fit, and that's where it all begins. But in addition to that, we offer 3 custom sound profiles built into this product that don't require an app to use. So with the push of a button, you can flip between our JLab signature sound, our balance sound, which I think is great for podcast and audiobooks, and our bass boost sound, which is awesome for working out and really getting your swerve on.
So on the side of the earbuds is a button.
Yep.
So there's lots of controls. Can you walk us through some of those?
Yeah, so each earbud has a button on the side, as you said. In addition to being able to change the EQ settings that I've already discussed, it has volume up, volume down on each side, track forward, track back on each side, and you can also access your digital assistant on each side, which is really cool. Being able to just talk to Siri or Google Assistant on the fly without touching your phone is a really neat feature. And again, offering all of this at that $50 price point is just really cool.
And then we get a lot of questions, whether it's on social media, on YouTube, and to our support team. Are these safe for working out?
Yeah, I mean, everything we do at JLab is pretty safe for working out, and these are no exception. So they're IP55 rated, which means it's dustproof and it's waterproof, it's sweatproof. You can't swim with these, but Bluetooth doesn't work underwater anyway, so it wouldn't work. But you can certainly run in the rain, you can work out hard, sweat in your ears, it doesn't matter. They're gonna withstand it. And with that, we're so confident in that rating that we offer a 2-year warranty on them. And if you need, if something ever goes wrong, you call our office here and we'll take care of you.
So sometimes we get some questions about can you use one at a time? Do they take phone calls? So talk a little bit about that feature.
Yeah, sure, you can use one at a time. The right earbud, if you choose to use one, is the one that you would use. And it's also the earbud that you use for phone calls. So the second a phone call comes in, you press the right earbud, it picks it up, the left one shuts off and turns the music off, and you can talk and have your conversation, press the button again, it hangs up, the music comes back on in both earbuds, and you go on your way. But having the ability to listen to music plus talk on the phone is a pretty sweet feature.
Yeah, that's a lot of features packed into a very small product at a great price.
Yeah, agreed. Thanks for tuning in today to learn more about the JBuds Air True Wireless Earbud. We're really proud of this product. We think you'll be excited about it too. Thank you for joining us today. Bye.